Oh, hi there. I have a camelback. Just that. One. I have like a backpack. A lot, and it broke and would never charge. But my bank account says it charged a couple times, and then she refunded it once. I don't know if the other one has shown up yet. So if all the refunds show up, then I feel bad. She said to just take them. But she gave me a business card.
You will hunt her down.
I will pay her if I have not paid her.
I
And I will buy more. We're going to Idaho. We're gonna go in a raft. And that's about it. Okay, bye. Look, this is a sunset in Idaho. And lots of dead bugs are on the windshield. And that's Noelle.
Hi.
She's in the sun. We're somewhere. We just barely crossed an Idaho.
Malad.
We're in Malad? And then there was traffic. And road construction. Boo!
Please stay away from all wood in the river. If you're in the river, don't try and grab onto it. Your life jacket will float you to the surface.
Welcome to Mad River Cruises.
Whitewater Rapids, where you might die or you might live.
We'll live. I have like a 50% chance of
Dying.
living.
Things that Nate went over. So be wary. All the above. Always have your hand on the T-grip. What you want to do when you're paddling is put your whole body. So try a right turn, right back, left forward.
We're really good. All right. This is where
Was it with that guy?
Good job,
Was that high five? Yeah, I'd do this again for sure. This wasn't bad. Didn't die. Almost died 3 times, but I saved everyone else, so it was worth it.
Oh, my hero.
Is what she just said off screen, but you didn't see that.
I did. I said he's a hero.
And she was like, "Oh, my hero." Jacob's gonna be like, this is way too close on all this stuff. That's right, Jacob. I know you're watching this video because I'm making you edit it. So, we didn't die. Noelle here is coughing up lungs all over the place.
Yeah. But it's okay. It was a fun trip.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
Would you give it 1 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. So that's 4 thumbs up.
Yep.
That's all. We're back in Provo. See, that's like the street Noelle lives on. And that's the thing by the place where they're digging up stuff and put up a fence next to us. Don't look at that. Okay, bye.